Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we're taking a look at the Alpine 3712KB. So the Keystone Alpine is an awesome luxury fifth wheel. It's not too luxury, but it's definitely not too entry level. Truthfully, in my opinion, it's the perfect combination of quality and price. Painted fiberglass front cap with a front windshield. Awesome unit. Coming on down the side here, it's going to give you 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, 5 slide outs on this beast, and if you couldn't guess it, 3712KB stands for King Bathroom in the back. You know what? Does have some great exterior storage, but let's just jump straight into this bathroom. Coming on through here, if you look up there real quick, it is a front living room unit. Coming on through here to the kitchen. Coming on down the side here to the master bedroom. But we are starting back here in this king size bathroom. This is absolutely amazing. My cameraman is 6'3". Look at how he fits in that shower.
Great head height, great width, great depth. This is the best shower.
Perfect.
Fifth wheel ever.
Right there we do got the toilet, which is a great position. Over here we got the dual sinks, and it is prepped for a stackable washer and dryer. Over here, also king bedroom. King size bed on the slide out. Plenty of wardrobe space, plenty of pantry space. And when you see the air conditioning units like this, it does mean it's whisper quiet. Coming on down the steps here, we do have your kitchen table right there. Really nice kitchen island right here. Residential features, turkey tested oven, turkey approved oven. And look at this, it's an actual pantry so you can fit all your clothes. Perfect for anybody who's looking to full time. To wrap up this fifth wheel is this awesome front living room space. Not one sofa, not 2 sofas, but 3 places to sit. This one's actually an electric recliner. And then right over here is your TV entertainment center. Look at that front windshield that I talked about in the beginning. And this is a TV on a televator that comes all the way up. Great, so that's it. That was a quick little tour of the Keystone Alpine. Now, if you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, perfect. Click our link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.